In the drought-prone villages of Sinnar in Maharashtra, goat rearing is a crucial means of survival for many women and their families.
माझे मालक वारल्यापासून आमची पंचायत झाली. 4 पोरं सांभाळायचे म्हणजे काही जोक नाही ना. मग मी मोलमजुरी करायचे तरी पण मग माझं भागानं मग शेळ्या घेतल्या. मी आता 4-5 बकरं विकली. त्याचे 10-15 हजार रुपये आले मला. मग मी आणखीन शेळ्या पाळल्या. मग तेच मला प्रपंचाला काम आले.
However, the women grapple with many challenges. High mortality rates, low yields, and poor prices in the market are some issues they face. Attacks by wild animals are also common.
एक टाइम वाघ उडाला होता, गोठ्या उडाला होता. दीड पत्रे टाकेल होते, जसा वरून उडाला का तसेच पत्रे खाली. मग मी काय म्हणते, माझ्या जीवाचा मी विचार नाही करीत, मी मरो नाही तर जगो, पण जनावर वाचवायचं असं.
In partnership with the local NGO Yuva Mitra, Nalanda Foundation decided to address the many challenges faced by women goat farmers. The Women's Livelihood Development Project was born in 2015.
यामध्ये 3 उद्देश ठेवण्यात आलेले होते. एक म्हणजे शेळी पालनाचा व्यवसायाला शास्त्रीय स्वरूपातून करणं, या दृष्टीने एक संस्था निर्माण करणं, प्रोड्युसर कंपनी निर्माण करणं. त्यासाठी लागणारं प्रशिक्षण असेल, त्यांना डॉक्टरची सुविधा असेल, इन्शुरन्स असेल किंवा अद्ययावत ज्ञान असेल, तंत्रज्ञान असेल, ह्या सोयीसुविधा पुरवणं.
Under the project, women were organized into joint liability groups which made it possible for members to obtain loans for the purchase of additional goats or for building goat sheds.
आमचा भाग डोंगराळ आहे, त्याच्यामुळे बिबट्याची भीती होती जास्त शेळ्यांना. एक शेळी खाली तरी आमची नुकसान लय व्हायची. आता वाडा बांधल्यापासून शेळी व्यवस्थित आहे, वाड्यामध्ये सुरक्षित राहतात आता शेळ्या.
The sheds not only protect the goats from attacks by wild animals but also allow the women to feed their goats well instead of having to graze them for hours in the harsh weather. A producer company by the name of Savitribai Phule Goat Farming Producer Company has also been created.
The company helps these women to access inputs together in the form of fodder, in the form of package of practices and veterinary services. So this aggregation is helping them earn better incomes.
माझ्या शेतामध्ये माझ्या मजूर भगिनी काम करतात, पण आमच्या कंपनी मार्फत त्यांना जेव्हा माहिती दिली तेव्हापासून बायका शेती पण करतात, शेळ्यांकडे पण लक्ष देतात त्या.
As a result of the knowledge sharing, the women are also able to get a better price for their goats.
आम्हाला मग वाटायचं आमच्या बकराचं इतके पैसे आले पाहिजे, तितके आले पाहिजे, पण आम्हाला त्यातली कल्पना नव्हती. मग ते त्यांच्याच पद्धतीनं पैसे द्यायचे. आता आम्हाला हे अनुभव आल्यामुळे आम्ही इकडं मग वजन करून 185 रुपये किलोनं भाव भेटतो. आपलं मुलं आपल्याला मिळाल्यावर व्यवस्थित समाधान वाटतं.
The prominent issue of high mortality rates amongst the goats was also addressed 2.5 years ago. The farmers were helpless against the diseases and suffered huge monetary losses. Now, women themselves play an important role in ensuring the goats stay healthy. Pashu Sakhis are para-vets trained to provide basic care. They are equipped to handle routine medical issues and provide necessary vaccinations.
शेळ्यांच्या मृत्यूदराकडे कोणी लक्ष देत नव्हतं. आम्ही प्रोजेक्टच्या माध्यमातून शेळ्यांचा मृत्यूदर कमी करण्यासाठी उपचार करत राहिलो आणि मृत्यूदर कमी झाल्यामुळे लोकांचं उत्पादन वाढलं आणि या व्यवसायाला अधिक चालना मिळाली.
Along with the improved veterinary services and effective insurance coverage, the women are now protected against heavy losses. The project is changing the way the women in the villages see themselves. No longer relegated to the household, the women are now leading a remarkable socio-economic transformation. Sangeeta Avhad faced opposition from her family when she joined the project. She overcame these challenges and now Sangeeta has been elected to the board of the producer company.
आयुष्यात चांगला म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी बदल झाला भाऊ. मग असं बाहेर फिरल्यावर बुवा एक धीटपणा आला.
We are glad that we have made considerable progress with goat farming in our Khed Sinnar project, that too with local women in the lead. They provide a wonderful example for others and inspire us to do more, both for infrastructure and social development.
The Savitribai Phule Producer Company is now set to leap into the realm of modern marketing. Products like milk, meat, hide and manure will be launched under the brand name Sahaj. Further, the surrounding villages in Sinnar and Sangamne block are home to approximately 1,050 lakh goats. The intent now is thus to create a complete ecosystem which will benefit these goat-rearing families. To enable this, a larger collaborative network of financial institutions, technical agencies and NGO partners is currently being built. Through this ecosystem, various opportunities such as cold storage establishment and fodder development can be created, thus resulting in significant income enhancement for more marginalized families. For these goat-rearing women, the journey to economic prosperity has only just started.